Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the 3-pack of trail camera mounting arms from the company StealthCam. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So it mounts any camera with a 1/4 inch thread insert. There's not a whole lot to show you on this. The one thing I will say is I've got one of these that's open. You get 3 of these metal arms and then 3 of these screw down tops. Why I like these trail camera mounting arms, most of the trail cameras you buy these days are going to come with this mounting bracket here, and there's nothing wrong with it. It actually works pretty well, and it's actually good because it's easy to get a perfect angle on your camera. The negative is the metal on these mounting brackets rust really bad. So after 6 months to a year in the field, you're going to get to where you can't move any of these parts at all because they're going to be rusted up. This bracket's the best I've found as far as holding up in the field. You've basically got this piece that you're going to move up or down to get tight on your camera. Once you've threaded your camera on there, you can move this up so that the angle of the camera doesn't move. And then you can adjust the angle of the camera by just turning it from the threaded mount in the tree. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing video. I hope it helps.